So in this video we're going to be talking about all the imperfections that I still have to fix, and it's a lot because the car's not done. This was a quick spray that we did. It took us about 2 hours just so the car looks presentable and good for daily driving. It didn't look bad before, but it was like 3 different colors, so I decided to, you know what, let's paint it, do it like the Need for Speed. But here's all the imperfections. So we still have to do the front fenders. As you can see, there's a gap. It still looks butchered. The side skirts right here have to be molded. They're just basically just patched up, so they're a single piece. Now they have to be molded, sanded down. Same with the fender, as you can see. Still so much to do. We have to bring it in so there's no door gap right there, so it's almost even like the side skirt is. So to do that, we just have to bring it in, mold it inside a little bit just to reinforce it. Then going back here, we have to add another layer, possibly 2 of Bondo on the rear arch here. As you can see, it's nice and solid, but it's got a lot of these little dimples right there that have to be fixed. Going up, we still have to do all this sanding up on the fender, sand off that. As you can see, it's not perfect. From far away it looks good in pictures and video, but up close it's really far from being done. Same with the rear bumper. We have the mold, but now we just have to sand all this extra gunk off, add another layer of fiberglass, just make it nice and straight. We want this car to be perfect. We do not want to leave it like this. Like, it doesn't look bad, like I said, from far away, but up close you can see that it's not done at all. Like, there's a bunch of stuff still to fix. Same with this side. Finish the side skirt, move the fender in, mold it, and that's it. Everything else is pretty much done. The hood is good. There's actually one tiny piece I have to fix. It is right there, as you can see. I think there's one more crack somewhere there. That happened because there was a bubble, I guess underneath epoxy. So once it got hot, kind of the bubble expanded and it cracked. So we're going to get rid of all those little bubbles, patch them up, and make this thing nice and pretty. Like, standing right here, you can't see those imperfections. I know they're there because I built the car, and with this camera the blue looks super dark, while in person it's a little bit more richer, while on here it's like almost purplish looking. But then again, it only looks like that on this LCD screen. I'm not sure, maybe after post it's gonna look exactly how it does in person, but I love how it looks. I think it looks awesome. The car came out much better than expected. Definitely thought it would be a little bit not as wide and not as, I guess, good looking. I thought if once it would be done that maybe I'll actually ruin it and the rear arches will look dumber than they really do, but it came out much better than expected. I'm super happy with it. Definitely can't wait to finish this thing, but since the weather is pretty cold now, we can't do nothing with molding. So in the meantime, we're going to be working on the interior, put on more miles in this car because we do want to boost this thing fairly soon. So next videos we'll be working on the interior, putting more miles in the car, doing all the stuff, putting all the little bits and pieces. Like the hood still needs the center grill up top, which I have, but it doesn't fit well. We have to trim the hood a little bit. I have the new grills as well, but I was gonna wait till I paint the car, but since we're gonna stay like this for quite a bit, I might as well put it on now. So we were gonna use this spoiler for the back to see if it was gonna fit the trunk. It doesn't because it's too small, but look at that, it fits right inside the opening of the front bumper, and it actually looks pretty cool. Look at that. That thing looks actually really cool. I think I'm gonna order this because this is Lad's, and make a front lip like this for both the yellow and this car. Who knew that you could use an F80 spoiler as a front splitter? That's so funny because it looks so good. Dang. Wow. I'm definitely impressed. Like, look, it fits right in there. Wow. Super cool. Let me guys know down in the comments below if you think I should do this, because I think I should. That looks super cool. Like, for real, it looks pretty sick. Super cool.